Good morning po sa inyong lahat. I'm Dr. Villena. I'm your medical consultant. And of course, I've been a doctor for 25 years and a specialist of family medicine. I'm a professor of 12 years, both in the College of Medicine and Nursing before I became part of Empowered Christian Medicine. And of course, I co-authored this great book with my wife, Complete 24/7 Natural Healers. So if you would like to know further about the significance and importance of food supplements, grab a copy of the book and enjoy. Okay? Sabi nga po, the significance of food supplements. And of course, I am your medical and product specialist. So to begin with, I have a Facebook page. If you have certain questions about the products of the company, you can ask me through my Facebook page, Dr. Butch Villanapur, Doc V. I-click nyo lang po yung thumbs up icon. Diyan po tayo mag-uusap ng magandang maganda po. And of course, good morning po. The person why I became part of this business, the one who invited me to join the company, is of course my wife. Also a doctor, a pediatrician by profession. And again, bago ko magpatuloy, happy 32nd anniversary po sa aking asawa. Okay, pero hindi ho wedding bilang mag-girlfriend at boyfriend lang ho. Okay? So, kasi we've been married since year 2000 pa lang. So, 21 years pa lang po kaming kasal. Okay? So, now, ba't maganda ang kumpanya natin? Why have we been so successful for the past 15 years? It's mainly because of the products that are being manufactured by international partners. Nature's Way, Wither, and even the manufacturer of our carrier product, C Supreme, all came from USA, multi-billion US dollar companies. DSM is a multi-billion euro company, and AMS Life is a multi-billion yen company. That's why our company is a multi-billion peso company, and of course, that is empowered consumerism. Now, let's continue with this. Yan, sige po. Pusuan natin ang pusuan. Okay, invite tayo ng mga kaibigan natin. Very good, very good. Yan, puso-puso lang. Every time we talk about our body are made up of cells, circular in shape, and inside will be your nucleus that will house your DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay po tayo. Now, sabi nga po daw, yan yung pinapamana sa mga anak. Tama po, that's your DNA. And aside from which, yung DNA po natin will also be responsible for you to produce proteins like hemoglobin that carries oxygen, muscle for movements, enzymes to metabolize food, and immunoglobulins antibodies that will help kill different kinds of microorganisms. Yan. So, Doc, maganda pala yun. Tama po. May tinatawag pa tayong mitochondria or powerhouse of the cell. Anong significance? Once oxygen and nutrients like glucose or blood sugar goes inside, they will undergo oxidation. Why? To produce to produce energy. Sabi nga po, Doc, ang pinag-uusapan natin, energy. Tama po. And again, let me try to repeat, my dear empowered leaders, lahat ng bodily functions kailangan po ng energy. So, Doc, maganda yun eh. Anong problema? Itong problema. While we are producing energy, we are also producing free radicals inside the cells. Diba, Doc, taka lang. Habang gumagawa ka ng energy, gumagawa ka rin ng free radicals. Let me remove my glasses first. Okay. Tama po. So, yan ang problema natin ngayon. While we are producing energy, we're also producing free radicals. Now, game. Let me try to continue with this. Sa environment natin, we have billions of free radicals that you can smell, eat, and drink. So talagang sabi nga po, Dok, anong ginagawa nitong problema sa katawan natin? Sinisira po nila ang cells natin. We will become defenseless, we will be damaged, and we will be suffering from different kinds of diseases. Mag-mention po ako ng konti, hypertension, heart attack, stroke, and even cancer. So, anong kailangan gawin natin since wala tayong lusot against free radicals? We need to defend ourselves. Ano pong kailangan natin? Antioxidants. My dear empowered leaders, para po interactive tayo, i-type nyo po ngayon, antioxidants. Okay, type nyo po sa chat box natin. Antioxidants. Yan. Sabi ni Bangkoyo Jocelyn, present po. Yon. So, type nyo po antioxidants. Where can we get them? Fruits and vegetables. According to the WHO requirements, we need to eat 5 servings, at least 400 grams of different colors of fruits and vegetables daily. Sabi ng Doc, so kung kumakain ka ng ganun karami, 400 grams, kota ka sa antioxidants, tama. But let's talk about reality and facts. Hindi lahat mahilig kumain ng fruits and vegetables. Hindi lahat nakakain ng ganung karami at hindi lahat nakakapag-prepare. Okay? Ng vegetables. So, sabi nga po, Doc, if that will be the case, dun pumapasok ang significance ng food supplements. Again, inuulit-ulit ko po ito para klaro tayo ha. Kung kayo po ay nakakain ng 5 servings of fruits and vegetables, kota. Pero kung hindi po, kailangan nyo ng supplements. Alam mo ang definition ng supplementation? To bridge the nutritional gap between the food that we're eating and the supplements that we're taking. Para magkaroon po talaga ng balance sa katawan natin. Okay? So, Doc, if that will be the case, we need it. Tama. Why? They are there to neutralize the free radicals for your cells to be healthy, for our body to be healthy. And every time we talk about wonderful food supplements that will give us antioxidants in our body, that will supply us with those so-called needed antioxidants, eto na po ang isa sa pinakamaganda, which happens to be the carrier product of our great company, Empowered Consumerism. Eto na po. Yan na. Na kung tatanungin niyo ko timely, kailangan, especially on this times of pandemic. C Supreme. Let us type it there. C Supreme is the best. Okay? Ba't ko sinabing the best? Proven scientific breakthrough and new. Doc, ano pang sinasabi natin dito? Supreme absorption, retention, and performance. I know what you're thinking. Doc, taka lang. It is also vitamin C, ascorbic acid with 500 milligrams. Paano siyang mas naging supreme compared to other kinds of vitamin C? Simple po ang dahilan. Why? Because aside from the vitamin C that has been proven to be so important, so wonderful, so great for so many decades with thousands of studies on vitamin C, dinagdagan pa po ng citrus bioflavonoids complex and lipid metabolites. Now, what will be the significance of these two other components? Ulitin ko, ang vitamin C, medically proven na po yan with so many human clinical studies. Ang citrus bioflavonoids complex is also a strong antioxidant. Dinagdagan pa. So, mas lalong lumakas. Doc, sabi po na iba, Doc, aside from which, it will be there to prevent the oxidizers from damaging the vitamin C, thus preserving, okay, the vitamin C components of C Supreme. So, solid na solid ang function lalo nito. And encapsulated with lipid metabolites. Ito na po. Doc, anong ibig sabihin? For example, if this is the vitamin C, in-encapsulate ng lipid metabolites, kinuberan. Since nakuberan po ito, ano nangyayari ngayon? Safe sa stomach. Even if you have clients suffering from hyperacidity, safe po ito because of the lipid metabolites. Now, from the stomach, they will travel towards your intestines. May wall po ito, maraming blood vessels, and that will serve as the first barrier. Yung mga covering ng blood vessels. Okay? Ngayon, since may lipid metabolites to, they can easily penetrate or go inside the blood vessels. They will flow with the blood. And, darating po sila sa mga cells na merong cell membrane or covering. Merong bilipid layer po ito. Since may bilipid layer po ang cells, may lipid metabolites po ang product natin, kayang-kayang pasukin po yung mga cells natin. Kaya nga po, supreme absorption, supreme retention, and supreme performance. Yun. Microencapsulated po ito. Now, according to the studies done by the manufacturer of C Supreme, these are the advantages of our product, C Supreme, to other kinds of vitamin C available in the market. Ilitanya ko po sa inyo. Ito po yung studies po na nagawa nila. 12% more antioxidant delivery compared to other kinds of vitamin C. Why again? Because of the addition of citrus bioflavonoids complex. Doon pa lang lalong lumakas. Next, higher retention of vitamin C in the body. Bakit po? Encapsulated by lipid metabolites. Supreme absorption, retention, performance. More efficient in promoting fibroblast and collagen healing. Sabi ng iba sa akin, Dok, ano ba yung mga yan? Well, they are part of your connective tissue. Na pag pinatibay mo yan, na-promote mo yan, ano mangyayari? Faster wound healing, and of course, even stronger bones. What else? Higher reduction on plasma levels of C-reactive proteins. People kept on asking me, Doctor, what are these so-called C-reactive proteins? Well, ang function po nito, they are the biomarkers for certain kinds of cardiovascular diseases and even inflammatory reactions. So if you're gonna reduce the C-reactive proteins in your plasma, what will happen? Meron siyang anti-inflammatory effect and will be protecting us from different kinds of cardiovascular diseases. Yun. And then, more efficient in protecting the immune system from toxins. Let me remind you, my dear leaders, anywhere you go, there will be toxins. So it is but just important to strengthen and protect the immune system against the so-called toxins. Okay? And more reduction of oxidized LDL cholesterol which happens to be the bad carriers of cholesterol. If you're gonna oxidize them, they will embed, kumakapit sa blood vessel wall. That will lead to atherosclerosis or the hardening and thickening of the blood vessel wall. Imagine, kung ito yung blood vessel mo, nagkaroon ng atherosclerosis. Sumisikip po yung daluyan ng dugo sa loob ng blood vessel. And if you're gonna prevent this oxidation of LDL cholesterol, naiiwasan mo ang atherosclerosis, lumuluwag ang blood vessel to promote good flow of blood. And since pinataas mo, o dinagdagan mo pa siya ng citrus bioflavonoid complex, yung kanyang free radical scavenging activities, lalo pang nai-enhance. And finally, 1,200% more stimulation of healthy neurons. When you talk about neurons, these are the nervous system cells and nerve regeneration. So sabi ko nga po sa inyo, hindi lang yun, may word kami sa medisina, re-epithelialization. Okay? Sila po ay nagre-repair or nagre-redevelop po ng ating lining, ng tissues po ng skin and even the internal organs of the body. So if you're looking for a product that will be good for your lungs, especially on these times of pandemic, wag na po kayo maghanap ng ibang vitamin C. Wag na lumingon pa. Because the best of the best vitamin C is right here in our company. Okay, and the name is C Supreme of Empowered Consumerism. Very good. So again, for the second time po, i-type nyo po dyan. C Supreme is the best. Yon. Okay, now, what else? Our former flagship product. Let me drink my coffee first. Sandali lang po, mga kapatid. Okay. Very good. C24/7. Naku, the best of the best din po ito. Sabi nga po nila, Doc, kuha ko na yan. Maganda yung C24/7, tama po. Every time I look at my right side nga po pala, tinitingnan ko po yung mga comments po ninyo. The former flagship product with 22,000 phytonutrients, vitamins and minerals, amino acids, green foods, fruits and vegetables, mushrooms, enzymes, herbs, and of course, essential omega fatty acids. Alam niyo, doon pa lang sa usapin na yon. Kota na. Kotang-kota na. Okay, pero let me try to remind you. From the vitamins down to the essential fatty acids, these were the components of our first flagship product, which we call as Complete Phyto Energizer. Sabi nga nila, Doc, ang ganda naman ng mga produkto na Empowered Consumerism. You said it right. Talagang we have the best of the best food supplements in our company. Okay, pero sabi nga po natin, Doc, anong ginawa ng mga owners? Dinagdagan pa ng 5 anti-aging at 4 na longevity polyphenols or the one we call as Restore Life. As the word implies, restore your life or rejuvenate your life. So, Doc, ang nangyari pala, lahat ng 4 na longevity polyphenols ng Restore Life with 5 anti-aging plus all of the components of Complete were added up, tama, to come out with one of the best food supplements that we have. And that is C24/7 of Empowered Consumerism. And let me try to remind you, my dear leaders, especially our guests, year 2016, our very own product C24/7 was awarded as the #1 food supplement in the world. Grabe. And when this product was launched 2010, every day for the past 11 years, iniinom ko po yan. For a while po. Okay, yan ang hirap pag mayroong facial din, no? For a while, sorry po. Now, game po tayo. Ngayon, let me try to continue. So, Doc, the best po ito. Talagang the best ang produktong yan. Ngayon, let me continue with this one. Okay, ito na. Our first flagship product, ang pangalan po, Complete Phyto Energizer. Naku! Isa pang napakagandang produkto. Dito po nagsimula ang Empowered Consumerism. Sabi nga po natin, Doc, okay, diyan tayo nagsimula. Because of that product, talaga pong lumaki ng gusto ang Empowered Consumerism. Now, anong kagandahan po ng ating first flagship product with 16,000 phytonutrients po? Okay? And, Doc, hindi ba ang C24/7, 22,000? So, doon pa lang alam niyo na po that C247 is better than Complete by 6,000 phytonutrients. At lahat ng laman ng Complete, C24/7. Ang tanong lagi sa akin, Doc, if that is the case, okay, ganun naman pala, ba't may Complete pa? Pag may buntis kayong kliyente, nagbe-breastfeeding po, umiinom ng mga blood-thinning synthetic medications, may bleeding, at may problema po sa reproductive organs ng babae. And for those suffering from problems of the kidney and even the liver, the preferred product for that will be Complete. And for the rest of your clients, you can go with C24/7. Klaro? Okay. Ngayon, itong restore life, as the word implies, is restore your life or rejuvenate your life. Sabi nga po nila, Dok, teka lang. Okay to tama. Because according to medical studies, yung resveratrol saka yung 4 longevity polyphenols, once they enter your nucleus, they will repair your damaged DNA. So, the ones being destroyed by free radicals will be repaired by resveratrol, by this product. And according to medical studies, it can prolong our lives by 30% or more. And that's wonderful. Now, what else? They can also break down the fats to form energy, helps normalize your blood sugar and blood cholesterol. Okay? They're also good for your nervous system with a great level of antioxidants, anti-cancer properties. Yan. Okay, now, Doc, makang talagang paganda ang usapin natin Sige, diretso pa natin ang usapan Ito na po. Yun yung mga pang-adults. At let me try to remind you, yung 4 na longevity polyphenols ng Restore Life, plus 5 anti-aging, plus everything incomplete were added up to finally come out with this great product that we call C24/7. Adult products. How about the kids? We have this Kiddie 24/7. Magugustuhan po nila, Nutragamis po ito para lang silang kumakain ng mga gummies. Or example, gummy bears po. Pero lahat ng gamit ito, natural. And look at the components. 14 vitamins and minerals with 26 fruits and vegetables. 2 higher compared to complete or C24/7 na may tig 12, 12 or 24 lang. Sabi nga, Dok, ba't mas mataas? Kasi nga, di ba, ibang bata hindi mahilig kumain ng gulay sa kaprutas? So, to compensate, tinaas po ng kumpanya natin yung components. So, Dok, the best. Talagang the best. Isa pang magandang produkto para sa mga bata for the brain, pampatalino, yung may choco. Sabi nga po, Doc, why? It contains docosahexaenoic acid or DHA. Now, pag sinabi niyo po DHA, sabi nga po, Doc, maganda sa memory, the best. The best of the best. Okay? Ano pa po, ang kagandahan po ng may choco natin bukod sa DHA. Pagsabayin ko na ngayon to, may choco sa Liban Coffee. Both of them are alkaline based. Pag sinabi niyo pong alkaline based, safe po sa ating stomach. Both of them are herbal beverages. Why? Because 1/3 of the milligrams of complete with 16,000 phytonutrients were added to both Liban Coffee and my choco. Great! Now, yung Liban Coffee, world class. Bakit may coffee Arabica? Yung Liban Coffee, nako, less caffeine, safe sa puso. At napakaraming flavors or variants. We have the original, cappuccino, latte, and of course, the so-called stevia or sugar-free na talagang paborito ko po. Sabi diba sa akin, Dok, ba't paborito mo yung sugar-free or stevia? Okay, let me try to explain why. Okay, number 1. May stevia. Natural. Walang asukal, may stevia kaya napakasarap. 300 times sweeter than sugar. Walang asukal, mas matamis kaya pwede sa mga diabetic. Maliwanag po. Hindi lang yon. May antibacterial properties. Can help normalize your blood pressure. Okay, at the same time, okay, can strengthen your bones because of calcium production with a great level of antioxidant, anti-cancer properties. Ang sarap po ng mga beverages ng empowered consumerism. Now, let's continue. Okay. Invite pa tayo. Share niyo po ito sa mga pages saka sa Facebook niyo. Okay? Para mas makita po nila yung kagandahan po ng ating mga produkto at ating company. If you have certain clients looking for whitening products, we have so many in our company. But for me, ito yung mga true mouth. Okay? Na talagang perfect combination. White light and perfect white. Ang white light po may L-glutathione. Okay? Shake the bottle, spray under your tongue, let the product stay there for 1 minute. It will enter the blood vessels, they will flow with the blood, and within minutes, they will enter the different cells of the body. Ganun kabilis. Let's talk about the functions. Number 1 will be the whitening effect. So, pwede kang, ang chance ko dito pwede kang pumuti. May chance kang pumuti. Sabi ba do? Okay yun But I would like to remind you, it's only one of the side effects. Yung whitening is only one of the side effects of glutathione. Sabi ba sa akin, Dok naman, yes. Alam niyo po, I've been a professor for 12 years. Nakapagturo rin po ako ng pharmacology, sa College of Nursing. Okay, no, ako po yung professor pa. And I was able to read there that one of the side effects of glutathione is the whitening effect. Kaya nga po madaling i-promote ang produkto natin, madaling ibenta. Kasi ang habol nila po side effects pala ng product natin. What are the functions of glutathione? Antioxidant, anti-cancer, detoxifier, not just for the liver but for the entire body. Wonderful. Ngayon, para perfect na yung pagputi natin talaga, samahan mo ng perfect white. It contains L-cysteine peptide that are needed to also create glutathione in the body. So, Dok, kailangan din, magiging glutathione din. Tama. Tama. Kaya nga yung whitening, antioxidant, anti-cancer, detoxifier, okay, ng liver sa kabuong katawan, ng white light, meron din ng perfect white. May bonus. Sabi ni Dok, anong bonus? May white. Sabi nga po, ito ay, aside from the whitening, meron pa siya tinatawag na astaxanthin. What is that? May anti-aging, anti-wrinkle properties. Hindi lang yon. May anti-UTI properties and again, antioxidant, anti-cancer pa. Perfect combination. Yan. Now, if there's another product aside from C Supreme, C24/7 that I would like all of you to take every day, that will be Colidus. As the word implies, cholesterol reducer. Kaya na yung Restore Life, Restore Your Life. Ito, cholesterol reducer. That contains omega supreme fatty acid again, good for the brain. So, Dok, okay din yan. May DHA ito. Tama. Okay? So, sabi nga po, Dok, in soft gel form, iniinom to during mealtime. One of those products that I will recommend for you to take during mealtime. Why? Since halos lahat tayo kumakain ng mga fried pork, beef, chicken, french fries, hamburger, fried. Madaming cholesterol yon. So, ang kagandahan yan, once the cholesterol, excess cholesterol, enters your intestines, this product with omega supreme fatty acid will pull the cholesterol out to your poops. So, number one, talagang it will help normalize the blood cholesterol. But at the same time, they will also help break down the fats to form energy. And even pregnant clients can take the product once a day. So, wonderful. Ngayon, tana. Nasa blood vessels tayo ha. We have two Vida products, the Vida Drink Mix and the Vida Max. Number one component is Resvida or trans-resveratrol. Dok, hindi yung laman ng Restore Life kanina. Tama po. So, number one effect, vasodilation. Look at the pictures of the blood vessels on the right screen. Okay? Ganito ho yan eh. Ang ibang kliyente pag may high blood, syempre may gamot na binibigay po pampababa ng blood pressure ang mga doktor. This product is a good supplement. Hindi po siya replacement, a supplement. You can add this product. Why? It will help dilate the blood vessels to help normalize the blood pressure. Next, ang ganda nun. Can also improve your metabolism, break down the fats to form energy, helps normalize your blood sugar and blood cholesterol, and, nako, meron pang bonus to, may lycopene. Ano yung lycopene? Antioxidant, anti-atherosclerosis. Yung picture po sa pinakakanan ng blood vessel na may kulay dilaw, yung atherosclerosis. So, ang gagawin ng produkto will help prevent it. Okay? In order to promote good flow of blood and in order to help normalize the blood pressure. Ganda! Okay? Iniinom natin. Ang lamig pa. Ngayon po yung summer, lagyan mo ng yelo para makakontra rin po sa init ng summer. Ngayon, yung Vitamax naman, once a day. Again, with resveratrol na pag-usapan na natin. Ang bonus nito, may fruit flow. Ano yung fruit flow? It will help prevent abnormal clotting inside the blood vessels. So, pag na-prevent mo yon, yung abnormal clotting inside the blood vessels, medyo mag-isa lang muna ako, so let me remove this. Okay? Medyo, ang aking mga nurses po ay nagra-rounds na, so I can remove my face shield. Glasses muna ako. Yan, okay po. So, ang kagandahan naman ito, sabi nga po natin, Doc, okay ito ha. So, meron siyang tinatawag na fruit flow. Prevent abnormal clotting inside the blood vessels. Thus will help prevent heart attack and even stroke. Once a day of the product is more than good enough. Okay? Very good. Sabi na, wonderful yan, Doc. Ito pang isang matinding usapan. Meron tayong procedure. Cardiopulse ang pangalan. Okay? Ang function nito is for you to give an initial assessment if your blood vessels are functioning well. Initial assessment po ito ha. So, paano ang proseso? Ganito po yan. Kaklamp lang sa left index finger habang nakaupo po kayo comfortably in your chair or on your chair. Tapos po, it will run for 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, may result na po. Pag type 1, very healthy ang blood vessels. Pag type 7, unhealthy. The beauty of this is that at the back of the results will be the recommendations on what specific food supplements will be best suited for you. Pero yun na nga lang po, I would like to clearly emphasize to all of you. Sa ngayon, hindi pa po natin pwedeng gamitin ang CardioPulse natin. Yung certificate nyo, tago nyo po muna. Why? Because of social distancing. Okay, so, but once this pandemic is done and over, pag nagdatingan na po yung mga vaccines natin, pag nagkaroon na po tayo ng herd immunity, gamitin nyo po agad to para malaman nyo po kung maganda po ang function ng blood vessels nyo. Clear? Okay, let's continue. What else? Eto na. Mga kailangan produkto natin ngayon, mga natural essential products. Deep Cleanse and Whitening Bar may Luminate. Ano po function nun? Pampaputi. May peppermint. Anti-aging, malamig sa katawan. Tapos po, yung bamboo charcoal ang kailangan talaga. Habang kayo pinaghuhugas ng kamay, let me remind you, don't be too complacent. Every now and then, wash your hands po. Hugas ng kamay. Okay po tayo doon. Aside from which, pag naghuhugas po ng kamay, maligo. Okay, ito na yung gamitin mo. Kasi pag ginamit mo yan, it will help remove the bacteria, viruses, fungi, toxins away from your skin. And that's what we're after. Hygiene ang pinag-uusapan ngayon. Maliwanag po. Now, pati na rin yung oral cavity. Hygiene din po. Pangalagaan natin yan. Doc, paano naman po ito? Ito may 5 herbs. Anong function po ng 5 herbs? Okay, ng ating pong herbal toothpaste. Ganito po yun. Klaruhin ko po sa inyo. Number 1, antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal. Number 2, antioxidant. Number 3, will help repair the gums of the oral cavity. Number 4, mabango sa bibig. Okay, so, may bonus. May complete na laman yan. That's why while you're brushing your teeth for approximately 5 minutes, the components of complete will enter the blood vessels in your mouth and they will circulate to your entire body. So what will be the end product? Whiter teeth, fresher breath, healthy mouth, and of course, healthy, strong body. Very good. Very nice. Okay? Now, sabi nga po, Doc, okay yun na. May toothpaste na tayo. Okay? Tapos, may mga wash pa. Alam niyo po yung wash natin, dalawa. May feminine saka masculine wash. Hindi pwedeng maghiraman ng mga mag-asawa. Bawal po. Feminine kay Mrs., masculine kay Mr. Sara tayo din ha. Maliwanag na maliwanag tayo ha. So, Doc, sige. Linawin natin. Okay? Paano po ba yun? Sisimplihan natin. Maligo, magsabon, magbanlaw. Ilagay po sa fingers po ninyo yung feminine wash. Kung ito po yung vagina, the opening at the center, it's being bounded by your major and minor lip. Lagyan nyo po ng feminine wash. Pati piling clitoris and even the anus. Let the product stay there for 2 minutes to increase the level of negative ions. And after 2 minutes, wash it out. So, Doc, what will be the advantages? Ito po ang advantages, pakinggan nyo po ito. Okay? Anti-UTI, antibacteria, antiviral, antifungal. Number 2 po, meron po siyang antihistamine, anti-allergy, anti-itchiness. Then, okay, ang isa pang maganda po dito, eto na, banggitin ko na, antioxidant, anti-cancer. Ang ganda ng produktong ito. Okay? Now, yung masculine wash is the same. Pang lalaki naman po. Tip ng penis, buong body or shaft, scrotum, yung covering po ng testicles, and again sa anus po. Patagalin din po ng 2 minutes, then wash it out. Now, ang tanong, how often should we apply the wash? Kung healthy ang penis or vagina, once a day lang. But if they're suffering from UTI or STD, sexually transmitted diseases, umaga at gabi po ang paggamit niyan. Maliwanag? Okay, what else? Game. These are the beauty products of the company. Okay, coffee scrub. Again, take a bath first. Pagkabanlaw na pagkabanlaw, put a portion of the scrub on your palm and rub it gently on parts of the body na medyo tumataba. Chan, hita, puwet. Let the product stay there for 15 to 20 minutes to take effect. Number 1 function, will be contouring. Unti-unting binabalik po yung dating shape ng katawan. Number 2 will be exfoliants. They will remove the dead skin cells and will be replaced by newer ones. Sabi nga po to, okay na okay pala itong mga produktong ito. Naku naman. Sabi ko nga po sa inyo, the best of the best products are in empowered consumerism. So, from neck downwards. Yung strawberry scrub naman that is from chest downwards. Yung strawberry scrub is from neck upwards. Coffee, chest downwards, strawberry, neck upwards. So, same principle. Maligo magsabon magbanlaw, maghilamos sa mukha, banlawan po, tapos po, scrub na po yan sa cheek, sa forehead, sa neck, elbow, knees, buttocks. Yun po yun. And, hugasan pagkatapos. May whitening components po ito. Yun ang advantage niya. That's why after using the product for certain weeks or months, unti-unti rin pong maglalighten up ang skin ninyo. Ganda. Now, for sun-exposed areas of the body, may instant white tayo. After taking a bath, so, syempre po, dry up your skin. Apply nyo na po yan. Again, sa muka, wag lang tatamaan ng mata at bibig. Tapos po, liig, kamay, okay? Palad, pwede po yan. Ngayon, biglang puputi syempre, kaya nga instant white. But I would like to remind you, pagkaligo nyo po, it will go back to its normal color. Initially, the effect is temporary, but just like strawberry scrub, it has whitening components na habang ginagamit mo siya ng patagal, unti-unti rin pwedeng pumuti po ang balat natin. Great. Okay? Yung antioxidant facial toner, of course, will be for the face sa mga tagyawatin. Maglinis muna ng mukha. Shake the bottle. Apply sa cotton balls and apply gently on your face. Or put a portion of cotton balls and apply gently on your face in circular motion. Makikita mo talaga yung mga dumi, yung sa cotton balls mo, magdidikitan nyo yung mga itim-itim, yun yung mga dumi ng mukha. So, nape-prevent to, tumutulong mag-prevent ng tagyawat or mag-lessen ng acne formation. Ngayon, gusto ko yung mga yan. Pero one of my favorites will be the oxygen bar. Why? May liquid oxygen. They will be there to rejuvenate your skin cells. May dalawang klase ng whitening components, luminate and omega-lite. At it can also help stimulate your dermal fibroblast cell that will add strength to your skin. Sabi nga po nila, Dok, ang ganda naman ng mga produkto natin. You said it right. Game. Magpapayat na ang dapat magpapayat. Yeah, o magpapayat. Game. Isa pa. Coffee muna ako. Dali po. Pag mataba, prone ka mag-high blood, hypertension, heart attack, stroke, or even diabetes. Pag may ibang sakit tapos tinamaan ng COVID, mas delikado. Baka tamaan ka ng moderate, severe, or critical condition. Kung kayo po'y healthy at tinamaan ka ng COVID, sana wag. Pero na-expose ka, what if? Malamang asymptomatic or mild case ka lang. Okay, Doc. Ano dapat gawin? Majority of the components of the Burn Slim are also added to the other burn products. Take Burn Slim 30 minutes before mealtime. Number one thing that will happen, the fats that you have eaten will not be absorbed. It will just be defecated. Pupupo mo lang. Pangalawa, exercise. Kung hindi mo kaya everyday at least 3 times a week for 30 minutes per exercise. Prolonged exercise will break down the fats and sugar faster and at the same time. Good. Mawala ka ng appetite. Yun ang importante. Okay? It can lower down your appetite or decrease your appetite. Wonderful na naman. Ano pa, Dok, ang kailangan pag-usapan po dito? Ito pa yan. Burn Slim tayo, Drink lots of water pag uminom kayo ng food supplements. 8 to 12 glasses, especially this summer. So, ang end product nito, it will break down the fats in your cells, in your liver, and of course, inside your body. The best. Burn Shake is a replacement meal. Okay, it only contains 111 calories. Pamalit sa isang kain, like breakfast, for example. Tanggalin mo yung breakfast mo, yung normal breakfast, at tanggalin mo yung breakfast. Ilagay po sa tumbler, shake mabuti, cookies and cream flavor. Inumin ng dahan-dahan, 111 calories lang. Kung kayo medyo bitin, sama mo naman sanas. It only contains 90 calories. So, 111 plus 90, 201. So, parang walang butal, 200. Ang isang meal natin sa napag-aralan ko po is 700 calories pinaltan mo ng 200. So, ang total loss mo doon, 500 calories. If that will be the case, you're bound to lose 1 pound per week, 4 pounds in 1 month, and 48 pounds perfect in 1 year. Ganda niyan. Ngayon, yung Live Coffee natin kanina, di ba? Coffee Arabica, world-class coffee, alkaline, may 1/3 ng complete. Nandiyan din sa Live Coffee Burn. At the same time, pwede ka pang mag-lose ng weight. Good. At yung Mati Iced Tea, napakasarap nito na again, may antioxidant, may antibacterial, and at the same time, pwede ka rin mag-lose ng weight. So how do we take the Burn products? Burn shake sa umaga, breakfast. 10 o'clock in the morning, Live Coffee Burn. 30 minutes bago mag-lunch, Burn Slim. At pag mainit na po, mga bandang 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon, you go for the Mati Iced Tea. Think positive, exercise, diet, drink lots of water, and I will assure you, you're bound to lose weight. Perfect. Game! Eto na. Eye Protect 24/7. And of course, the Eye Protect Home. Sabi nga po nila sa akin, Doc, maganda itong produktong ito. Tama po. Yung Eye Protect 24/7 po, meron po siyang tinatawag na chlorine dioxide. Let me repeat the words ha. Chlorine dioxide. Okay? Ito po yan eh. Okay? Oops, nag-entangle po. Okay? Ito yon. This one. There you go. Kaya, may chlorine dioxide po ito. Hindi ba parang sa swimming pool, di ba may chlorine? Same. Okay, nilagay po dito yon. Ang function niya, mga bacteria, virus, fungi, pag na-expose sa chlorine, patay. So, nilagay po dito. Why? To give you a green zone protection of chlorine dioxide, 6 feet radius surrounding and protecting us against airborne diseases. Sabi nga po, Dok, di ba si COVID droplets? Tama. Ito airborne, tama rin. Kasi hindi na naman COVID ang kalaban natin. Yung mga airborne, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, flu virus. So if you will be wearing this example, parang kanina po, when I was driving my car, ang dami kong nakita. Naku, may face shield nandito. Yung face mask ko, nilagyan ko na nga po sa loob ng protection ng ano pa eh, para medyo may konting space. Nandito yung face mask. So, useless. What if biglang umubo yun? If that person will suddenly cough or sneeze, okay? Tapos hindi ka naman properly protected kasi nga po mali yung pagkakasuot mo, di ba? So, ano mangyayari po sa atin? Once the microorganisms, okay, may sneeze or ma-cough out, they will travel towards you. It will travel towards you. If you're wearing the Eye Protect 24/7, once it enters the green zone, they will disintegrate within several seconds. Yun ang maganda. Now, you might ask me, Doctor, I'm taking food supplements. Meron akong C Supreme, C24/7, Colidus. Umiinom pa ako ng Ultra H2. Good internal protection. Very good. Ito, external protection. Sabi niya, yes, yun. Sabi ni Rowena, yes. External protection. So, as a doctor, the more protection we have right now, the better for our body. But still, dapat face shield, face mask pa rin. Eye Protect 24/7. Kung may Eye Protect home ka, sa kwarto naman po yan, sa kotse nyo, para patay din ang mga mikrobyo. 1 month papalitan po yun after 1 month Now, yung energy diffuser, eto ho yun. Let me show to you. Okay? Ito yan. Ito yung casing ng aking cellphone. Yung cellphone ko kasi yung ginagamit ko para makita ko yung mga comments nyo. Energy diffuser, energy pendant. Okay po? Klaro tayo Unahin ko ang pendant. Okay? Pag suot mo to, it will boost your chi. Your inner energy. Why? To speed up your metabolism and strengthen your immune system. But, Dok, ang ganda nun. Hindi lang yon. Once you improve your chi, it will also strengthen your aural field or your chakra. Anti-radiation. Sabi nga po sa inyo, ang anti-radiation effect po ng ating energy pendant is also lifetime. Now, for your gadgets or appliances like your cell phones, lagyan nyo ng energy diffuser. Alam nyo, marami na pong studies na ginawa ang ating mga leaders. They bought an electromagnetic frequency device to monitor the amount of radiation ng kanilang mga gadgets, appliances. True enough, ang taas, nag-i-spike yung radiation. But when they place the diffuser, it went down to 0. Uy, natanggal. Don't worry. Stick it back on. Bakit? Lifetime po ang anti-radiation ng ating energy diffuser. Perfect. If ever you will suffer from muscle pain, like yung mga pajackers natin, yung mga nagbibisikleta, nagmamotor, even yung mga nagdadrive, okay? I'm sure lahat naman tayo nagkaroon na ng muscle pain. Gamitin mo to. Kasi, alam niyo po, maraming mga pain relievers like mefenamic acid, ibuprofen, celecoxib, meloxicam, diclofenac sodium, diclofenac potassium, naproxen sodium. They're good. Pain relievers, very good. Kung may prescription po ng mga doktor. Yan na. Okay, Why? Pag inabuso nyo yan, nang walang guidance ng mga doktor, delikado. Sabi na, Dok, bakit po? They can damage your kidneys and may lead to ulcerations of the stomach, and that will not be good for us. Are we clear? So, Doc, anong kailangan gawin? Go for natural means. Meron tayong Cureleaf Thermal Relief Patch with 9 components. Take a bath first, dry up your skin, and apply the patch evenly on parts of your body suffering from muscle pain. Pagkalagay mo yan, soothing heat relief. Wow, ang sarap sa katawan. They will relax the muscle. They will dilate the blood vessels so that the swelling from the surrounding will go inside. Bawas ka agad yung swelling. Yung pain, mga 1 hour, bawas. Sometimes it will take you 3 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours bago totally mawala yung pain, depending on the person suffering from muscle pain at yung severity po ng muscle pain. Sabi na, Doc, hanggang gaano katagal tumatagal to? Paano kung yung pain nag-persist beyond 24 hours? Tumatagal po yung patch hanggang 48 hours. Ganun katagal. And my simple request is that, kung tumagal po ng 48 hours at kayo pinaliligo na, tanggalin na po ng dahan-dahan yung patch to avoid irritations of the skin. Okay? Next. Nako. High-end products of the company that contains this great molecular hydrogen. Sabi nga po nila, Doc, molecular hydrogen, New H2, Ultra H2. Unahin ko na yung Ultra H2. It's either you can inhale the product or drink the water straight para mas maganda. Okay, pwede rin po. Ngayon, ang hydrogen, smallest atom, H2 is the smallest molecule that can even penetrate not just the cell but also the nucleus and even the mitochondria. Perfect na naman to. O sige, ganito ho yan Pakinggan niyo mabuti po. Once, alam niyo may nauna sa atin Ang lalaki ng mga produkto nila, ganitong kalalaki. Hundreds of thousands po ang presyo. 100,000, 200,000. Pero ang molecular hydrogen parts per billion, nagre-range lang 100 to 200. Sa atin, kasi laki lang ng tumbler. I'm sorry, pero yung tumbler ko kasi yung aking Ultra H2 sa bahay Okay, pero yung mga laman po nito, Ultra H2, nilagay ko dito. And I need to consume this within several hours po. Okay? More than 1,500 po ang parts per billion. Ang daming laman yan. So sabi na, Doc, ano mangyayari? Once the molecular hydrogen goes inside and encounters different kinds of free radicals, they will bind with it. And they will neutralize the free radicals right there and then. Galing. The best. Kaya nga ang tawag dito super antioxidant. And when this product was launched years ago, already with more than 800 human clinical studies. And the brains behind is a combination of South Korea and even Japan. Grabe, Ngayon, yung UUH2 will be for your face. Sa skin. Sabi na, Doc, hindi ba ang water cannot penetrate the pores of the skin? Yes, according to anatomy and physiology. Hindi kakasya sa mga pores yan. But if you will convert the water to become a molecular hydrogen water, okay, sandali lang po is pwede mo itutok doon para, tutok mo lang doon. Sige, tutok mo pa. Yeah, good. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Okay, where am I? Okay. Pero pag ginawa siyang molecular hydrogen water, sa sobrang kaliitan, because of the minuteness of the particles, they can now penetrate the pores of the skin and remove the impurities. Kaya yung skin mo ngayon, mas magiging healthy. Sa dulo po nung may metallic gauze, gamitin nyo po. I-apply nyo po sa mukha nyo in upward motion para magkaroon ng lifting effect. Pati po sa mga may fine lines and wrinkles, gamitin nyo po para mabawasan yan. And they will also promote good flow of blood that contains oxygen and nutrients. Mas healthy ngayon yung skin mo. Hindi lang yon. Collagen synthesis to add strength to your skin. May anti-aging that can also brighten up or lighten up your skin. Ang galing talaga nito. Okay? And of course, we have this great product that is only meant for our lady clients. Inuulit ko po, pambabae lang po ito. Kaya dalawang produkto po natin yung talagang pambabae lang. The Feminine Wash and the Angel E. Hindi po siya vitamin E, hindi din po ito estrogen. It contains estrogen 100 that will try to mimic, kopyahin po yung wonderful effects of estrogen to the female body. It also contains astaxanthin and beeswax. Look at the powerful antioxidant properties of this product. Ang tindi. May mega anti-aging properties, may skin whitening, collagen peptides to add strength to your skin. And ladies, if you're suffering from dysmenorrhea, painful menstruation, use the product. Ang ganda po, according to our clients. And if you are already in the stage of menopause, mga late 50s usually, or minsan nga po early 50s, nagme-menopause na po. Alam niyo pag menopause, mood swings, energy swings, hot flashes, vaginal dryness, ano nyo, yung vaginal dryness pag mga late 50s can really affect the sexual relationship between the husband and wife. At meron po tayong naging distributor. Testimony po niya to eh. Talagang medyo nagva-vaginal dryness na po siya. Kaya yung kanilang relationship sexual relationship ng husband niya, medyo pumapangit na. But when she started using the product Angel E, nag-improve po ulit because why? Nag-vaginal wetness po ulit siya. And for us, that will be good. Once a day of the product is more than good enough. And my dear empowered leaders, these are the wonderful products of empowered consumerism. Yan! Ganda, no? Great! Sabi nga po, Dok, napakaganda. Pero just like what I've mentioned earlier, hindi lang po magandang produkto ang pinag-uusapan sa empowered consumerism. We're also talking about the wonderful opportunity, the business part of this. Kaya nga empowered consumerism, hindi ka lang magiging consumer dito. You will become an entrepreneur.